Guys, welcome back to another wig video. Today I'm gonna be working with SNS Hairs. So they sent me over this bob wig. As you can see, I'm just unpackaging the wig. So it does have a fake scalp, which I really love. It is just so realistic looking, as you can see. And it comes with the adjustable straps. Wigs that come with adjustable straps is a huge plus for me. I just put on the wig and I'm looking like Cousin It right about now. I'm just trying to adjust the combs on the side. I'm just combing it out to kind of get a feel of the wig. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it as a middle part or do a side part, but I do know I'm gonna have to flat iron it. But before I do all of that, I'm gonna have to cut this lace off. Just look at that part. Just look at it. So I'm just flat ironing the ends of the wig. So I think I'm gonna try to do a side part. I had a little trouble getting the hair to stay over to one side. I really needed a hot comb. I don't have one of those electric hot combs that you just plug up. I only have the ones you put on the stove. So I just ran a flat iron through a couple times. Finally got it to stay over, and I also applied some mousse to give it that little extra hold. So I just swoop this side behind my ear, about to create a little bit of baby hairs, and we should be good to go. pop this little cute hair clip on the side, and we're done. So yeah, I think it's cute, especially with the scalp looking so realistic. I really don't care for bob wigs on me, but this one is nice. It's nice. It's a nice length. So once again, the hair is from SNS Hairs. The link will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.